If you want to add the Whop bot to your Telegram account quickly and correctly, this video is going to walk you through the full setup step by step. I'll show you exactly where to click in Whop, how to get your connection code, how to find the official Telegram bot, and how to finish the connection without getting stuck. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software and platform guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to whop.com and log into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar or icon. This opens your account menu, where you'll see several options related to your Whop profile and settings. In that drop-down menu, find the gear icon right next to your username and click it. That takes you into your account management area. Now that you're in the settings panel, look over to the sidebar menu on the left. You want to select Connected Accounts. This section is where Whop lets you link external platforms like Telegram. Once you're on the Connected Accounts page, find Telegram in the list and click the Add button next to it. This will open a Whop dialog window with your unique connection code. This code is important because it tells the Whop bot which account to connect. Go ahead and copy the full code exactly as shown. Make sure you copy it completely because even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working. Next, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. In the search bar, type the official bot handle @Whop_bot. Make sure you're using the official bot and not a similar-looking account. Once you find it, open the chat and start a conversation by pressing the Start button at the bottom. If you don't see the button right away, you can also type and send Start in the chat. After the bot is active, paste your copied connection code into the message box and send it directly to the bot. At this point, Telegram and Whop are communicating with each other, so just wait a few seconds for the connection to process. If everything was entered correctly, you'll see confirmation, and the setup window in Whop should close automatically as soon as the bot successfully registers the code. And that's it, your Whop bot should now be connected to Telegram. This is a really useful setup if you want smoother communication, easier automation, or better access to Telegram-related features inside Whop. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.